Hi, my name's Taylor and I'm going to show you how to turn your living room into a home studio for some cute fall pumpkin pictures. Here's how we turn this into this. So to start out, pumpkin picture in your home is to create a good background. So for us, we actually use 2 barn doors that we got from a family farm. If you don't have barn doors, you can always get like a textured wall that you have in your house, or you can buy a backdrop. Either way is great. As for the decorations, I thrifted almost all of this. So the way that we set all of this up is we wanted to put baby up front, so our 2-month-old sat in the front and center. We wanted to keep the background behind her plain so that she was the focal point. We have a box for some elevation along with some pumpkins and some greenery that we had. And on the other side, just some more floral. Just the more texture you have, the better. It's really gonna make your picture pop. So to set up a really good studio in your home, lighting is key. So for us, we used 4 different lights, 3 of those being professional lighting and 1 lamp. If you don't have any professional lights, like most people probably don't, you can use a lamp that you have at home and get a yellow toned light bulb to put in that lamp. Yellow toned lights are ideal to make it look the most natural. So for this lamp we have in the corner over here, it is specifically focused on the backdrop and this set of props right here. In our living room we have a big window for natural lighting, but we also wanted to supplement that lighting with 2 other lights just to make sure the focus was on our daughter Brita up front and center. So now the last and final light that we have is on your left of the studio. This is directed on this side of the props as well as more backdrop as well. Hopefully this video helped you guys create the perfect studio for your little pumpkin. Like, follow, and subscribe to our videos to see more.